Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add a payment method in Hostinger. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, we'll need to log in to your Hostinger account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself in the H panel, which is the control panel for managing your Hostinger services. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Billing section. Look to the left side of your screen and click on Billing. This section is your main hub for managing payments and examining your transaction history. Once you're in the billing section, find and click on Payment Methods. This is where you'll be able to see your current payment methods and add a new one if needed. To add a new payment method, click the button labeled Add Payment Method. Once you click on it, you'll be given several options for your preferred payment method. These typically include credit or debit cards, PayPal, and sometimes other regional payment options depending on your location. Choose the payment method that best suits you, and then proceed to enter the required payment details. After entering your payment details, you'll see an option that might be useful. You can check a box if you want to set this new method as your default payment option. Finally, Submit button. This will ensure that all the information you've entered is securely stored in your Hostinger account. And that's it. So that is how you can add a payment method in Hostinger. So that's all for this video. Thanks.